Hello boss, have you found your summer paper factory? This is our summer paper jumbo raw material area. We maintain ample stock of premium raw materials to ensure stable supply and fast delivery, keeping your business running smoothly without delays. This is our selecting paper machine. With our precision machines, we rigorously inspect each roll to guarantee uniform thickness, optimal sensitivity, and excellent printing clarity. This is our summer paper packing area. Every product is carefully packed to ensure perfect condition upon arrival, minimizing your product losses and maximizing customer satisfaction. Our summer paper printing workshop. We offer customized printing solutions to clearly showcase your brand identity, enhancing visibility and customer loyalty. This is our summer paper ready in stock, and they are ready to deliver. Abundant stock ensures prompt and reliable delivery, helping you save valuable time and seize market opportunities faster.